my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking all things Harry Potter. Let's get into it. If you don't know, Harry Potter's birthday is July 31st. So this video will be posting after his birthday, but we're close enough. We're still gonna say that this is a Harry Potter birthday video. So I've got some updates for you, I've got a haul for you, and I've got some upcoming projects to show you. So in September 21st, I will be in Leesburg, Virginia at Fabioli Wine and Winery, and I will be doing a Harry Potter themed show. I'm going to be a vendor at that show. That being said, I needed some Harry Potter fabric, so I was searching all around. I did the day of to try and apply for the show, go to Walmart and buy some fabric just so I had something to post, because in order to apply and in order to be accepted, you did have to have Harry Potter themed items. And I'm like, well, I don't have anything done because I just heard about this show, but here's the products that I'm gonna do and I'm going to make with these items. So I'm going to be selling jar openers, wine bags because we're at a winery, key fobs, and I forget what the fourth item was, tissue pouches. So we're going to be doing tissue pouches, key fobs, jar openers, and wine bags. So those are the four items that we're gonna have. No reusable towels because I knew I would not be able to find any Harry Potter cotton flannel in time and be able to make any. So we're gonna focus on smaller projects. So the first haul is the Walmart fabric. I was not impressed with this fabric at all. I do not like this fabric. I'm thinking about returning it, but I needed something to be able to take a picture and have on me to be able to apply and get in. And I did get into the show. My problem with this fabric in general is that they're fat quarters, which means that they are 18 by 21. Yeah, 18 by 21, which you can get barely anything out of. And they're just not cute, and they're so large. They're such large patterns. So like this first one, so this is a bundle, right? So this bundle was $7.97. So about $8 for 5 pieces. So there's a Harry Potter one. That one's okay. This one is like Harry Potter's face, which will be too big for a jar opener or any of those smaller things. This one's fine. A little Deathly Hallows symbol. The Marauders map, again, way too large of a print. And then the last one is just like the Hogwarts symbol. So like, I really don't want to open this. I don't want to use it because it's such a small piece of fabric and such large prints. I don't know if it's going to turn out on any of the items. These two are okay. I think I'm going to keep these ones. These were each $1.97, but once again, I'm not going to be able to get much out of it. So there's this one with the little character faces. So I think that is super cute. And same thing with this one. So I think I'm going to keep these guys, but I'm going to return this one. So that is $12. Then I went online and I was trying to search online for fabric, and I found some on Etsy that I liked. There was 4 shops that had Harry Potter fabrics. However, of those shops, all of them only had like 1 Harry Potter fabric. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So then when I had like half a yard of each, which was like $30 total, and I hit checkout, they wanted to charge me $30 shipping. So the price like doubled, and I was like, oh my God, no, I'm not doing that. So I just waited. I thought on it for like a night, and I was like, oh, and then also by leaving things in your Etsy cart, generally you'll get a discount coupon. So if there's ever something on Etsy you want that's too expensive, put it in your cart and then wait, and then you'll get a coupon most of the time. So I waited and I knew it would give me a coupon. And then also I was like, what if I reach out to them? So I reached out to all 4 of the shops saying, hey, I'd love to buy your fabric. Is there any way you could do some sort of discount for myself and my followers? You know, if we buy a certain amount, or I don't know, like, are you willing to help out? I'm going to post a video with a haul as well as other videos. You know, what can you do for me? 2 of the 4 ladies reached out to me and I was able to connect with them. So we ended up purchasing fabric from 2 of the shops, from Sunnyside Fabric UK, that is Lisa's shop, and then Real Stitchers of Texas, that's Jackie. And both of those ladies have provided you guys with 15% off their shops. So I'll have all the links down below as well as the codes that you need to use for their shops. So let me show you what came from the UK. So when I was putting together this order, I wanted to qualify for free shipping, but she doesn't do free shipping because it's international. So instead of doing a half yard of each fabric, I ended up doing 1 yard of each fabric. And in my mind, it doesn't have to be Harry Potter. Like, it could be Harry Potter, it could be cats, it could be Halloween. Like, in my mind, all of that is like fair game. That's all the same category. So looking through the shop, the ones that I initially wanted was this one right here. I think that is so cute. And I also love like how mature it is. Like, it's not like, I don't know, these other ones are like kind of childish. I love these fabrics. I think they're so pretty. Aren't those so pretty? And then this one is not Harry Potter at all, but I just liked it. And since I was already paying for shipping, I just got it and it was on sale. And then I feel like I could definitely use this for the Harry Potter show. So my goal is between now and September, which is a long time, but it's not, because I still need to process all this fabric and get it prepped. I'm going to make as much as I can from all of these, as well as I'm going to pull from my stash all the Halloween, cats, all of like the witch type things, have those available. And then all of my other items, I'm thinking about doing like an L-shaped table. So the front L will be all like the actual Harry Potter Halloween inspired items. And then on the side table will be all the additional regular things. So like my jar openers, I'm not gonna have them all the way around the table like I normally do. I'm gonna just put them in a basket. So the table's gonna be like a lot more condensed, but and I'm not gonna take any towels. So there's no towels. I'm only taking those 4 products. So that is from Lisa's shop. And like I said, 15% off if you use this code. And I'll have it down below as well. So I love all those fabrics, super nice fabrics, and they feel like a really good quality fabric. And then this is from Jackie in Texas, Real Stitchers of Texas. I like how she put it in like the bag so they wouldn't get messed up. Like, in my mind, this is totally Harry Potter. Like, this Halloween, cats, that's what I think. This one I did not order, but she just gave me this piece, and I think this is so pretty. It must have been just like a little scrap piece of fabric she had. So thank you so much, Jackie. I appreciate it. And I love this fabric. I think this is like super mature, super pretty. I love it. So I'm really excited to use this fabric. I think it'll be really popular. This one I didn't like as much, to be honest with you. But I figured if I'm already, trying to qualify for free shipping, and this was the other Harry Potter Hogwarts fabric that she had, I might as well get it. And it's better to have variety because I have 18 patterns here. I mean, the B one doesn't really count, so more like 17. And then if I return these ones, this is 5, so 12 patterns. I have 12 Harry Potter inspired and themed products. And then I did get a chance to go over to Joann's because I want to make my own robes. So I found a free pattern. It is 30 pages long. So I need to print it out, piece it all together, cut out my fabric. I am going to try and use what I have. So I have these 2 bolts of black fabric. I'm hoping this is 4 yards and this is enough. And I am a Ravenclaw, so I need a blue accent. So I am really hoping that this is enough fabric to make my own robes. If it's not, I did see at Walmart that they have 4 yards of black polyester fabric for $10. So that is what we will be using if this doesn't work. Because I looked online, and like the robes, if you want good ones, they're like $40 or $60. Or you could get like a Temu one for $10. I'd rather try and do it myself. Obviously, this is not a requirement. You don't have to be dressed up for this event, but like, won't it be fun to be like dressed up for the event? And then like the clothes, I'll have like a white button up, which I already have one, that's fine, and a black skirt. I think I'm just gonna wear flats. I was able to raid someone's closet for this tie, so I could borrow that. And then to make the tie like Ravenclaw themed, I looked online for a pin, and most of them were like $10 for a pin, and I was able to find one for $6 on Mercari, which, if you don't know, that's like Poshmark, like eBay, like you're selling stuff. And it was $6 and then like $2 shipping, and it turns out that I had $6 in that account, so this was only $2. So I was really proud of myself. So I can stick this Ravenclaw pin on the tie. So far the robes are $2 within my time and effort. And the pattern was really good. I'm really excited to use the pattern. I watched the whole video. I'll have it linked down below. So I also needed like a clasp, and I needed my patch. So I went to Joann's with the intention of getting the patch, because online the patch was like $10, but Joann's had them for $5. They actually had them like for $4.60, but you had to pay for shipping. And I was like, no, I'll just go in. So I was near a Joann, so I had a chance to go in. So I got my patch, and I had 2 coupons that were spend $10, get $5 off. So I was like, okay, well, I'll get $6 worth of fabric twice to cover like my clasp and my patch. So these two, this was $4.49, and then with the discount it was $2.34. So this is my clasp for my robes, and I think that's super pretty. I think that's going to turn out really well, and it's the same theme as the pin, so I think that's going to turn out really well. And then the patch was $4.99, so it ended up being $2.81, and this is like an actual branded Harry Potter patch, so that's exciting. And then I told them like, oh, I just want $6 worth of fabric. Sorry, there's something in my eye. $6 worth of fabric. So I ended up getting, this fabric was originally, this one was $11.99, this one was $12.99, so $6 worth. I ended up getting 0.667, which I think is 3/4 of a yard. So there's this fabric here, and then this fabric, which I like both of these patterns. I think they're mature, I think that they're dense enough, and this is actually, I think, the same pattern as this one in here. Yes, siree, it's the same pattern. So I definitely think I'm going to return this guy. That's why I've kept the receipt with it, because it's been a couple weeks trying to acquire all these different fabrics. But my totals ended up being, so I did the Deathly Hollows and the clasp. This total was $5.68, and then the lightning bolt and the patch was $6.70. So this was $6 and $6 essentially. And Etsy, the one total from the UK, this was $85 worth of fabric, including shipping. And then this was $36 worth of fabric, no shipping, free shipping on this one. I think that's all. Oh, and then the show was a $20 donation. I can't remember the organization, but it was this organization, $20 donation. So in total, I've spent $167. If I return this guy, then it will be more like $160. So I need to make about $500 at the show to make it worth it. $500 of jar openers is 83 jar openers, so with 18 patterns it's about 5 each, so I definitely think it's doable. I really need to start processing this fabric and get it cut up and start sewing, because I have about like 100 items I need to make between now and February 21st. I definitely think I could do it because I don't have any shows in August. I just need to be vigilant and start working on it. But anyways, that is my haul. That is my news. I'm really excited to start working on this. I'm happy to sell my soul to the Harry Potter franchise, and you know, hopefully we don't get busted up by the cops, and we'll see how it goes. I'm excited, but let me know if you'll be in the area, if you'll be going to the show. Let me know what your favorite pattern is. Let me know if you want to see any part of this process of making the items, making the robes. I'm probably going to do a show and tell, or sew and tell is what I call it, because that'll be easier for me. It's hard for me to film because I don't always get like a long duration of time to work on things. I work from home, so generally I'll be like working on things during my lunch break or before work or after work, so I don't always have time to film. It's like little bits of time when I have time to work on things, so it'd be easier for me to just do a sew and tell before the show and then give you a wrap-up video after the show. So those are the 3 videos, like this video today, a sew and tell, and then the wrap-up video I definitely plan on doing for you guys. Please check out Lisa and Jackie's shops. I'll have those linked down below. Like I said, 15% off. Jackie's shop, the one with the free shipping, if you spend enough money, is 15% off, $15 minimum. But yes, check out those ladies' shops down below. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.